Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tech Videos. Hope you guys having a nice day. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use screen time on your iPhone to manage app uses. Whether you want to limit social media, control gaming time, or simply monitor your activity, screen time can help, and let's get started to it. First, you need to just open your settings app. So open it like this, and you need to scroll and go to screen time. Just click on here, screen time. I have already enabled screen time. If you haven't enabled screen time yet, you need to just turn it on by tapping on turn on screen time. After that, screen record shows turning on screen time and options for this is my phone and this is my child's iPhone. If it is your child's iPhone, then you need to select your child's iPhone, otherwise you need to select your iPhone. And after that, you need to just go to your app limits. So just click on these apps and webs activities. Here click on turn on app and website activity, and here you can see app limits. Just click on app limits. You can add app limits. Just click on add limit, and you can just add to any of these. Just like if you select games, and if you select just like this game, you can select it and click on the top right next, and you can select it for like just 1 hour every day. You can also select the day. Just click up the top right, here customize days, and you can just customize every day. Just like if I select for holidays, I can select it for like 2 hours, and for other days just like 1 hour, like this. You can also set it for any kind of apps, just like social media apps. You can select for all the apps and click on the top right next, and you can select it for like 2 hours daily and click the top right add, like this. And if you want to schedule a break from all apps, you can just set downtime. So go back, and here you can see downtime. Click on it. Here you can see turn on downtime until tomorrow, and after the midnight the downtime will be started. You can also schedule it if you want. You can also put communication limits from here. You can also see the communication safety from here as well. Click on continue. You can share it with Apple or don't share, it's up to you. Here you can see restrictions, which is content and privacy restrictions. Click on it, and you can manage from here. You can allow some things and some things you won't allow. It's up to you. So guys, that's how to use screen time to manage app uses. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching the video.